I'm working on this new 3D printed CPAP fan design based on Mark Rehorst's work, making it a little bit more streamlined. It runs off of an old hard drive motor, of which I have a small supply. This is about half of them, maybe a little less than that. But it works surprisingly well for how simple it is. You turn it all the way up and not down. Blast it right away. It's not terribly noisy, at least not as noisy as my 3D printer already is. That ESC kind of sucks, but it will be getting a proper upgrade pretty soon here. So anyway, hope it is worthwhile for somebody.